Hi, it's Eileen from Teach with ND. And have you ever wondered why some AI prompts totally work and why others just really seem to flop? Well, it turns out it's not totally random. There's some formulas you can think about using. If you were going to design some basic apps, you could say something like, act like a UX writer, write microcopy for the login screen, and make it friendly for teens. So that's a simple formula. So that formula is role plus task plus context. If you want something even more tight, you could add a constraint. So you could think of the formula as role plus action plus goal plus constraint. When you add a constraint, it can help give you clearer, more consistent, reliable results. In the blog post that this video is attached to, I'll have more examples and go into some more depth, but I hope you enjoy.